Hey guys, it's Christopher Kokoski with writingbeginner.com. I wanted to share with you what I made my first full month of writing on Medium. So make sure that you stick with me all the way to the end of the video so you can find out how much I made on Medium and exactly how I did it. Okay, so I joined Medium in October 2020. My first article I published at the very tail end of November 2020, and my first full month of writing on Medium was in December of 2020. My goal that first month was to make at least $50. I thought that was a pretty aggressive first month. I actually still think that it's pretty ambitious. When I was studying Medium in October of 2020, before I ever published anything, I just read all the guidelines. I read other articles about how to be successful on Medium. Most people were making anything from a few cents, like 15 cents, all the way up to like $5, $10. And the most I heard from average people like me was about $15 that first month. And what they said is, with consistent effort, consistent writing and publishing stories on Medium and a couple other strategies that I'm going to talk about in this video, that you can make about that much money your first month, but over the coming months and years that you could ramp up to making hundreds of dollars per month, even thousands of dollars per month. And there really are people making over $1,000 per month on Medium every month. There are people who are actually making $4,000, $5,000, all the way up to $10,000 and more on Medium. But most people aren't making anywhere close to that kind of money. If you study Medium, you'll find out is only 6% of the writers on Medium ever make it to $100 or more on the platform. So my $50 goal is half of 100. So I thought it was pretty ambitious, but I thought, why not? I need a goal. I want it to be ambitious. And so I started out with strategies that I had heard from other people, other YouTube videos, and other articles about how to make money on Medium. My strategy starting out was pretty simple. I wanted to read, know, and follow all of the guidelines on Medium. I also wanted to write and publish at least one article every single day. And of course, like everyone else, my goal is to write quality articles, not just quantity, but quality articles every day on Medium. In December 2020, my first full month writing on Medium, I wrote just over 30 articles, somewhere between 30 and 35 articles that month. Most of those articles were written in what are called Medium publications, and that simply is like a magazine that exists on the website Medium. That first month, I was just signing up to write for different publications, and also I was submitting my articles to publications. I submitted to small, medium, and large publications. That first month, mostly I published in small publications. So I started with this simple plan to write and publish every day, to submit my articles to be published in publications, and I joined Medium Facebook groups so that I could promote my articles, engage with other writers, and just become a part of the community. My first few articles got some engagement, but they weren't really making me any money. They were making pennies, so I thought, well, maybe I'm just going to be one of those people who make just a few cents, maybe a couple dollars in my first month, but I'm going to stick with it because I had a long-range strategy that I'm going to try this at least for a year and see if I can't make it work. That's how I started. So even though my first couple articles really didn't go anywhere, and some of them still haven't gone anywhere, I stuck with it. I just kept posting new articles every single day, submitting them to publications, engaging with the Facebook groups. The more followers that I gained, the more engagement I saw with my articles. The more engagement that I saw with my articles, the more money I started to make. It wasn't long before, probably within just a couple of weeks, that I started making a couple of dollars on Medium because each one of my articles was doing a little bit better than the last one. And even some of my earlier articles were making, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. And so suddenly I saw a couple of dollars of earnings incomes on Medium. Around the 3-week mark, I really started to pick up some steam. Some of my articles got published in bigger publications. I was starting to gain more and more followers every single day. And I was also able to get more engagement with my articles simply by engaging more in Facebook groups and just simply because I had more followers. How much money did I earn my first month on Medium? First, I want to say that you can absolutely make money on Medium. If you're looking to make a little bit of money, I can say without a doubt you can absolutely do that. That is my experience so far. My goal in December was to make at least $50. That was my goal. In December of 2020, my first full month of writing on Medium, I made $60. Just over $60. So I made and exceeded my first month goal. But here's the kicker. Here's the other cool part. At the beginning of January, second month, I got published in a couple big publications. One of my articles got curated and distributed across Medium for the first time. In the first 10 days of my second month on Medium, I made another $50. So I made my whole first month's goal in the first 10 days of January. What's my goal for January, my second full month on Medium? My goal for January is to make at least $100 and get into that 6% club of people making $100 or more on Medium. I really think it's possible, and if you've ever considered being on Medium and making money, it's absolutely possible. So I hope that you sign up. I'll put a link in the description of this video so that you can go to my Medium profile, check out the kind of things that I have done, sign up for Medium, and start making money yourself. By the way, if you like this video, please click the like button, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I have lots of other videos on my channel about how to make money on Medium. Make sure you check out those videos. There's an entire playlist about it, so make sure you watch all that so that you set yourself up for success. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you at the next one.